Mattel has a brand new twist on Pictionary. It has you drawing in the air instead of on paper.
Butterfly.
It's called Pictionary Air, and we got a chance to play it before it goes on sale in June. Your mission is the same. Pick a card and get others to guess your words based on your drawing. But the challenge is that you cannot see what you're drawing. Your doodles are showing up on the app, on the tablet or phone, for the people who are guessing. It's a fun new take on augmented reality, but it is being done in a low-tech way. Instead of a pen, you have a wand. Press the button to draw and the light turns green. The app is using image recognition to record the path of the green light to create your lines. You don't need an internet connection, there's no syncing anything, and that makes it very easy to pick up and play anywhere. And this medium opens up the game to new ways of playing. You can act out your drawing to get the point across.
Shower cap.
Got it, shower cap.
Oh, nice.
But if you're having a hard time and you know your doodle is a complete mess, you can ask to erase the screen and try again.
Fish.
Erase it.
Baby fish mouth. Okay.
It'll work on Android and Apple devices. We even used an Apple TV to mirror the screen for our demo, but it could just trip you up more if you try to look back behind you to see what you're doing. There are several modes, the classic gameplay that puts 60 seconds on the clock, but you can also customize how many rounds you want and how long each round lasts, or you can get creative with a freestyle drawing mode.
I'm used to like scratching something out or adjusting it on the fly, but now I don't know where that line is. So that was the thing, is like I had to trust, maybe say like a simple drawing and then I'd act more. But
the charades part
Yeah.
really sells it, because then you can really work with your drawing because it's just floating in front of you.
I started to realize just at the end that you could do things to yourself. Like I could add whiskers to my face or put a hat on my head, or like you were getting on a scooter and actually riding the scooter. I think that's the part that makes the most sense for this. Tightrope.
Got it.
Right.
Okay. Pictionary Air is priced at about $20. It'll first be on sale in June at Target stores, and it will launch globally in July.